Many people struggle with setting up their Amazon Prime Video account, but it's actually pretty simple if you know the steps. So if you've been wanting to enjoy all the amazing content on Amazon Prime, but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. So listen, here's what you could do to solve this. Number one, you're going to sign into your Amazon account. So open Amazon's website or app and log into your account, your Amazon account. Number two, go to the Amazon Prime Video page. Okay, so look for the Prime Video option in the menu and click on it. Number three, start a free trial or subscribe. If you're not a member yet, you can sign up for free, for a free trial to see what's available. Number four, add a payment method. So once you've signed up, add a payment method to complete the subscription. Number five, install the Amazon Prime Video app. So download the app on your phone, smart TV, or your device to start watching. Now, you're just a few steps away now from unlocking a world of entertainment. So if you're ready to get started, like this video, leave me a comment. Thanks for being here. I love you. See you soon. Ciao.